tell us a little bit about the store?
As sustainability is part of our mission statement, we said as a retail brand, how do you showcase sustainability to the consumers? What better way than to open a sustainable store? So we started doing research on how much sustainability can we get into one store, and we said that without forgetting the commercial angle, let's do as much as we can. So we started from recycled steel. We also started sourcing bricks from the nearby region, which uses mud from the Kunigal Lake Dam. We also did photovoltaic cells. We are using earth air cooling, which doesn't really require air conditioning, which cools the air using the depth of the earth. It puts the air inside the earth, cools it and brings it back up. Also, moving on to the product, we said that let's get as much recycled product or as much product which uses organic cotton or cotton certified by Fair Trade organization. So those are the kind of activities that we started with. The eventual goal is to be LEED Platinum or to have a carbon neutral certification, and also to have at least 70% of the product in this store to be recycled.
Okay. So what is the idea behind Puma Social Club?
So as a sport lifestyle brand, as sport is very important, lifestyle is equally important for us. And to extend it to the consumers, to give them a look and feel of what is to be an after-hours athlete, we said that Puma Social Club was the best way for people to come, hang out, experience the store, because it has to be attached to a store. It cannot be a standalone nightclub. And we can do a lot of other activities, just like the one we are witnessing right now. We can do a lot of activities to showcase the brand, to showcase the efforts that the store is doing and the brand is doing to remain sustainable. And I think that's where the concept of Social Club came in.
Okay, great. So what are the other kind of activities that one can expect from Puma Social Club?
So this was designing your t-shirt. Similarly, we did one called the T7 track jacket, where you can design your own jacket. We did one for customizing footwear. We're also trying to see if we can get a nature enthusiast or a naturalist, as we call it, to talk about what are the species that are available in and around Bangalore in terms of birds and small insects, and then take them out to Cubbon Park or Lal Bagh and do a practical view. So those kind of activities, we're trying to see if we can sync it with Social Club and then take it outdoors as well.
All of them sound absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Thank you
so
very
much
much.
for talking to us.